Hi guys, my name is Mithril, welcome back to Planet Mithril, and I want to start 2026 off with a bang. Now I have talked a lot about involving other game systems on the channel, and to a degree we've done this. Obviously we are predominantly and always will be predominantly a Middle-earth channel. That is not for 1 minute going to be diluted or kind of taken away from the channel. We have dabbled in MCP. I've branched out a little bit into 40k, but the second breadwinner on the channel is the Shatterpoint stuff, which has the second most tutorials, the second most videos. And I'm looking at getting some battle reports done for those soon and start kind of broadening that. But I want to know, what do you guys want to see from this channel? Obviously, Middle-earth is going to be the #1 game we do on the channel. It always will be, always has been. It's what's got us this far and what most of you guys are coming here to see, and that's absolutely fine. I've got no problem with that. I love Middle-earth. You guys know my stance on it. But I want to see how you guys feel about us actually broadening out into some more of the 40k, the Age of Sigmar. Malifaux, to a degree, I've lost a lot of interest in. I'm not bothered about 4th edition. I've kind of retired from that, so you probably won't be seeing any more of that on the channel. But getting some of the Marvel Crisis battle reports in, I'm going to be doing the Shatterpoint ones because we are ensconced in Shatterpoint anyway. But I've got 3 starter boxes of Legion down here that I want to get painted and built up, and hopefully some games sorted. You know, I've been talking to Sam and Jeb about doing Kill Team, Blood Bowl, Necromunda. So I want to get your guys' thoughts. I'm going to put a poll up on the community tab, so head on over there. It will be on Instagram as well, and I want to know what you want to see on the channel. What would you be happy for us to feature on the channel? What other things you don't want us to do? Do you want us to, like, broaden and do all sorts? Do Old World, do Spearhead, do Age of Sigmar, do Kill Team, you know, all these things. Like, I've got so many plans that I want to do, but I also want to make sure that it's stuff that's going to be well received and you guys are going to enjoy. I'm going to be branching out a little bit, just dabbling, just seeing, but I want to see, before we go whole hog into things, what you guys think. So yes, there'll be a poll in the community tab, on the socials as well, and Patrons will get a few extra options for other games that I'm not going to give to general release. So there'll be a few extra options there for Patreons, just to get a bit more input from you guys, as you you know, you monetarily support the channel. That's very much appreciated. But yeah, I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think, and like, again, obviously don't fret. Middle-earth is not going anywhere, far from it. But you know, for the growth of the channel and growth of the community, I feel it's possibly beneficial to start really branching out into more of these game systems and becoming a bit more all-encompassing. Whether that becomes all in one channel, or if it becomes subsidiaries of the channel, whether we do like a little gaming live stream one. I'm going to do some live streams, some hobby live streams, whether you want to see some gaming ones, some 40k games, some Dawn of War, some Dark Crusade, some, I don't know, what's it called? I've forgotten the name of it now. Total War, that was it, some Total War, 40k or Sigmar, the 40k one coming out soon, which is, but yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I want to get your input and make this the best possible channel for you guys and for us all to enjoy. Take care, guys. I look forward to hearing your thoughts. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.